Right now, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Amazon KDP account, add your tax information and all your payment details. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So right now, I'm just going to go on Google and I'm going to type Amazon KDP. Once I do that, it brings me over to this particular page. So I'm just going to go over and click on this first result that I'm seeing here. And it's going to bring me over to this particular page. So right now it says sign in, sign up. So I don't have an Amazon account before, so I'm going to be signing up. Please mind you, if you already have an account before, Amazon doesn't allow you to create more than one account. So please take note of that. So I'm going to click on sign up your account. So right now you're going to be adding your name, your first and last name, your email address, at least 6 characters for your password, and you're going to re-enter the password. So let's do that right now. So I'm just going to write my name. Let's just say, because I already have an account with Amazon, so I don't want any kind of riff. So I'm just going to put Ifeanyi. That's also my name anyways. My name is Ifeanyi, and Ifeanyi Jern. You get, just because I'm actually doing this tutorial and I already have an account before. So I'm going to be putting in my email address right now. Mary deiga@gmail.com. So that's what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be putting in a password that so I'm going to re-enter my password. Your password, you can choose any letter basically, and as long as they have to be the same. The password you use here have to be the same with the password that you use over here. So I'm going to create my KDP account. And so it's going to ask me to solve this puzzle in order to protect my account. So right now you have to solve the puzzle. Right now it says slide the image to complete the cutting. So which of them is the cutting here? Is this last part that is the cutting? So we're going to slide this image to ensure that the cutting, yeah. So the cutting is actually perfect now. I'm going to click on submit. So I'm going to do another one, slide the image to complete the cutting. So still the cutting is black. I'm going to fix it here. Here we're done. So it says slide the image to complete the chair. So which of them is the chair? I think this is the chair. So let's slide the image now to complete the chair. So we're done. And we're going to click on submit. Success. So right now we've actually created an account, and they're going to be sending an OTP code to your email address. Received my OTP code, and I'm going to be putting it right now. Verify. So it's going to be asking me for my mobile number. So I'm going to be using my number, Nigeria. So I'm just going to, yeah, I'm in Nigeria, and I'm going to use my number. So I'm just going to fill in my number right now. So after doing that, it says by enrolling the mobile number, you consent, blah, 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 and all of that. So you just click add mobile number. So right now, an OTP code will be sent to that particular number. So right now, I'm just going to I'm going to write down my OTP code that was sent to me. So this is the next page that you'll be brought to, and where you need to agree to terms and conditions. You can just take your time to read through this instructions or these terms, then you agree. So once you agree, your account has been created. Even though it has been created, you still need to update the account in order for you to start publishing on this account. So right now, it says your account information is incomplete. To publish a book, you will need to complete this. So you now click on update now. So when you click on update now, you would enter the phone number where you would like to receive an OTP code. So you can just put in your number. Send OTP code. So an OTP code will be sent to that particular number. So this is the page that we will be brought to. Now you have to fill in your details, where you live, your tax information and your account, the account you want them to be paying you into. So right now, the business type, you are going to write individual. So your date of birth, when you were born, you can just date of birth, and the country where I'm staying. So I'm living in Nigeria. So you're just going to put in Nigeria or wherever you're staying, basically. Whatever country you're in, South Africa, if in Kenya, if in US, or whatever country. So right now I'm going to put in my name, my legal name. These are my legal names. Then my address. I'm just going to put in like somewhere where I live. So city, I'm going to put in Lagos. Then state, province, I'm still going to put in Lagos. Then the postal code, I actually know my postal code. But if you're not sure of your postal code, all you need to do is to open another tab in Google and type postal code for your area if you're staying in whatever you're staying. So I'm going to click postal code for Ojodu and it's going to bring several options. So I'll just pick one of these and I'm going to input it over here. 102.109. Then my phone number, I'm going to put in the phone number that I want to use. So having done that, we are going over to the section where we get paid because hello, what's the point of actually creating books? People are buying and you're not able to get your money. So in this place, if you don't have like a US bank account, it is important that you open one. And if you want to learn how to do that, I've also created a video. I'll be leaving the link in the description section, how to create a Payoneer account that you receive payment with. So where is your bank? You're going to write the US. So right now you're going to be adding the details. For mine, I already have my details. So I'll go over to my Payoneer account right now and check for my details. So this is actually my account details on Payoneer. So right now, all I'm going to be doing is to be picking the details from Payoneer and adding it over to Kindle. So it says account holder name. Come over here. This is the account holder name. So I just copy and come over to this place to paste it. You get, so it's asking type of account you can verify. It's actually a checking account, but you can actually verify over here. It says account type checking. So I come over to this place and it's asking for the account number. So I come over to Payoneer, I copy my account number, come back to Kindle and I paste my account number. I come back to this place, it says re-enter, I paste it. So it's asking for my routing number. Every of this information is actually here. So routing number, this is it. So I copy it, I come over to this place and I paste it. So that is it. And I click add. So my account details have been added successfully. So I go over to the next part. So if you know that you don't have a US account yet, you can watch that video. I'll leave the link in the description section. So now we're going to be completing our tax information. So complete tax information, save and continue. What is your tax classification? It's individual. So I go down. It says, are you a US citizen, US money? No, I am none of that. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of? No, I'm not receiving payment on behalf of anybody. I'm receiving payment on behalf of myself. So this is my name. It says select your country. I'm just going to select Nigeria. And so I go down. It says I have a non-US TIN. Basically, I don't have my TIN. So this is for people that don't even have their TIN information. So all you have to do is untick this part. When you untick it, it's going to say, why are you not able to provide a TIN? So it says the country where I'm liable to pay tax does not issue TINs to its residents. I've applied for TIN, but I haven't received it yet. I could not / I've not obtained TIN from my local authority because of other reasons. So you can actually tick any of these. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be ticking this part where it says I could not or I've not obtained TIN from my local authority because of other reasons. Continue. When you click on continue, it will ask you to sign and submit. So all you need to do is to read this information down. Then you click on I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the person on the line 1 of this form. So all you need to do is to put in your full name, and then you're going to save and preview. Yes, we are basically done, and you have your tax information. So all you need to do is to submit the form. So it says your tax information has been received and successfully validated. To exit interview. Right now, your account has been successfully created. If you want to publish your book, all you need to do is to go over to Bookshelf. And once you're on Bookshelf, you click on create. Once you click on create, you can start you can start publishing your books. I hope you actually enjoyed this video. If you do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification bell.